You okay, Arthur? You don't look so good.
You seen Micah in Dutch's ear the whole time?
Yeah. He's been stirring up stuff about you and John.
Good. We're gonna need each other.
Sure, Arthur.
John?
That's it. I could use the company.
How did it come to this?
I don't have a short answer to that.
Well, we had a lot of good years.
Take care.
Boy! It's okay, I'm just needling you.
Well, at least you ain't run off.
What you talking about?
Pearson left. Old uncle. The traitors. Both gone at dawn. They said to young Tilly they were running to save themselves. I think Mary Beth left as well.
So it goes.
They are goddamn cowards, Arthur. Cowards. Of all the time we spent to run off,
Well, I guess they don't want to die, Dutch.
ain't nobody gonna... This is a tough time. And you ain't doing too well. But we, our community, we will survive. They will not crush us.
I hope so. But if we let Jack and the women free, well, then
There
maybe
ain't
we
no
can...
freedom for no one in this country no more, Arthur. One more big score, we got enough money to leave. All this turmoil has the army and Pinkerton spinning. We take a boat and slip away.
I don't know what you're saying, Dutch, but it seems like I've heard it all before.
Just one more
And there's
train.
always a goddamn train.
Arthur! This is different. We know this is full of cash. Army payroll, money and supplies to repair the bridge that you blew. This is all going to plan. We rob Uncle Sam and we leave. The poetry of it all. What do you think?
It sounds wonderful. Hell, yeah. I ain't got much to lose, but... You know, the women and the children. And John and his family. I'm afraid I have to insist. I mean, we gotta let them go, because if the Pinkertons come through again, they will kill everyone.
John? Insist?
Yeah. Insist.
Of course, pal. Whatever you think is best, I will see to it. Huh? Now, we gonna rob a train?
Sure.
We will survive. We will flourish. We have work to do, my friends. Let's go. Come on. We are gonna borrow a little money from old Uncle Sam and be out of his hair once and for all. He insists upon it. Insists. Let's ride out, gentlemen. Let's go. Yeah! Okay, let's pick up the pace. Train is due in Saint Denis in an hour.
We're robbing a train in the middle of a city?
No, it's going to stop there, take on mail and water, let off some boys heading home on leave, and then it heads out.
They know the bridge is gone, Black Lung. There'll be a patrol past Annisburg, waiting down by the river to collect the money.
We sneak on quietly, and then we got a short time to stop the train before it reaches the patrol. John, you go get that dynamite. We'll meet back up outside of Saint Denis.
I'll go with them.
As you wish.
Come on. It's this way. I hid the wagon down here after we blew the bridge.
This is one big goddamn group of us to be riding back into Saint Denis.
Yeah. I heard the Pinkertons had pretty much taken over Van Horn. Moved a whole heap of men in there. Things are closing in fast.
Shit.
Should be just through these trees. There it is. I'll get the dynamite.
No, I can do it.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Okay, it's in the back.
Got it.
All right, let's get this done. Mount up, Arthur. So listen, Abigail just told me, the money, it's hidden in the caves at Beaver Hollow.
What?
Yeah, so much for never hiding it near camp. Dutch was getting even sloppier than we thought.
Are Abigail and Jack ready to leave?
I think so.
Okay. Whatever happens with this job today, wherever Dutch and them go next, we're getting you the hell out of here. We're going to get you the money you need. Knowing the three of you got out, well, maybe all this will still mean something. Tilly and Susan, too. I'll do whatever it takes.
You've always had my back, Arthur.
Perhaps not always.
Anyway, here we go. One last train, Arthur.
One last train.
There you are. Got everything?
Yeah?
Then off we go.
Off we go, indeed.
One last time, gentlemen. I got us a river boat. We'll head up to New York or Chicago and get a real boat from there out to the tropics.
So long as it isn't Guarma.
Oh, it'll be paradise, son.
It's all coming together, Dutch. Just like we planned.
Is that okay with you, John? Arthur? Or do you insist on something different?
Sounds about as good now as every time I heard it before.
Oh, Abigail must be real excited. All packed up like she is. I could just see her in the little grass skirt.
Don't talk to me, you son of a bitch.
Boys, okay now, let's keep it down. We don't want to draw attention to ourselves going through here. Nice and easy through town, fellas.
Ah, Saint Denis. It's good to be back. Happy memories, huh, John?
You shut up, Mackie!
That's enough. Quiet, all of you. Not much further now.
All right.
Cleet, Sadie, you board halfway along. John, you and Arthur are gonna board at the back. Rest of you, follow Mike and I, and join once they stop the train.
Here she comes.
Let's just sneak on now.
God damn it. Well, everybody mount up.
We still going through with this?
Of course we are.
Come on, Arthur! We gotta get on that train! We can jump on at the side!
Yeah, you good, girl?
Jump! You okay?
Yeah.
Money's in the front carriage. We gotta push forward. Quickly before we're trapped. Just stop.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay. So much for sneaking on here.
You feel like ditching?
Of course not.
Come on! Let's get to the next camp! Keep pushing forward! Let's keep moving!
What? The Dutch and Micah.
I don't see him!
Who knows if this was their goddamn plan all along?
Let's... Come on! Push up!
Go to hell.
Train's on fire! Come on! We can't get through the smoke! Come on, let's go!
Jump!
Come on!
Get going, Bill. Get back on. Jump.
Uncouple that cash before it blows us all up!
I'm on it!
The train's being robbed!
Lay the gun, Arthur!
Sure! Well done!
Now get on!
John! I'll get John! You protect that money! Man the gun, Arthur! I'll go stop the train! Stop the train? Whatever you do, do not stop the train! You secure up ahead, but keep us moving! I'll deal with that patrol when they come through.
Shit! We got a lot of riders on our tail!
I see him.
On the right! You sure you can handle that gun? 'Cause I can't take over if you won't.
Just shut the hell up.
Hey, we all gotta work together on this. Look left.
Look out on the right!
How the hell did I get settled with you, little lady?
Watch your goddamn mouth!
Look out on the left! Look out on the right!
Look out on the left! Gotta run it up. Damn it, well, more on the right. Will you shoot him, for Christ's sake?
What the hell you think I'm doing?
Listen!
I don't take orders from you! Okay, get off the gun! We need to go for the money! Come on! The money should be in the front carriage.
Okay, quick. Blow a hole. Let's go! The money's in that carriage.
All right, guess I better blow this thing.
Here we go.
We got something. We got something! Catch!
Yeah!
Wait, there's more.
Morgan! The driver's dead! This thing ain't stopping! We got to get off!
Okay then, let's go.
Jesus.
We're alive.
Just about.
Well, let's move.
Where's John?
I tried. I tried.
He didn't make it. That patrol killed him. We had to run.
Come on, let's go before another patrol turns up. Ha! Ha!